Start soft first. You know what? Kind of angle him the other way so now that his left ear is more toward Diane.
I say he's deaf.
I think he's deaf in one ear.
And partially the other.